Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna draw Charizard Y, the Mega Charizard of Pokemon. So let's get into the video. So the materials we're gonna use for this video is a pencil and a marker. So let's get into the video. We're gonna start with the nose of the Charizard. So we're gonna make a rectangle, like a triangle shape like this and bring it down. I'm gonna make a S shape just like this and bring this thing down. Gonna make a C shape and bring this side and like this. So that's how we do. I'm gonna do the upper part. I'm gonna just cross these two things, bring it on top like this. It's like the head. We're gonna bend it a little bit and bring it down. Draw the eyes first. Just like this. Small height, so it looks like this and like this. What I'm gonna do is make a big cone. This, another one here, and another one here. So that's how it should look. What we're gonna do is, I think the head is a little bit good, so get down a little. Now what we're gonna do is the body. I'm gonna bring it down like a curve, just like this. Now we're gonna draw the hand. We're gonna make a shape like this. Like this. And we're gonna make 1, 2, 3 small circles for the hand, or like a claws, you can see. And just bring it like this and to the top. So that's how it should look. Now what we're gonna do is make 3 razor sharp like claws, or the nails, you can say. Now we're gonna draw wings on our hand, so it's a little bit of hard points of focus, or you can even pause or wait and do. I'm using a reference image like this. It's like an oval shape, so we're gonna make a shape like this, bring it down and go for it. So that's how it will look. I'm gonna do some detailings in. It's looking like a highlight, and just like this. So it should look just like this. Now we're gonna do the body. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from here, take it all over the hand and bring it down just like this. What we're gonna do, we're gonna do the legs, starting off from the top. We'll do like this and bring it like this, and now I'm gonna do the foot. Bring it to the top and cover. Now we're going to draw the claws just like this, and we're going to do this, take it in just like this. We're going to do the other leg. Like this. Now we're gonna draw the next other side of the body. We're gonna start from here. We're gonna make a straight line from here and we're gonna just connect it here like this. I'm gonna extend this line just like this. So it's how it should look. It should come like a thinner and then just like a big. So I'm just gonna do a small correction here. So it's gonna be like a little bit more thinner I want it to be. So now what I'm gonna do is draw the other hand. So I'm gonna bring a small shape like this and like this. So that's how it should look. Now what we're gonna do is draw the other one. Make a small head and I'm gonna leave a little bit of space here for the hand, so it's just gonna wait. So what we're gonna do is make a hand like this, 2, 3, the same claws, and bring it like this. So what we're gonna do is gonna rub the part where it's intercepting. Make a small correction here and rub this one. Now what we're gonna do is connect the body from here to here, just like this. Now we're gonna draw the fin or the wings on the side. I choose this Pokemon because it's my favorite, and I also have watched all the 23 seasons of Pokemon, so I just kind of like it. Comment down below if you are also a Pokemon neophyte. So now what we're gonna do is add a little bit of detailings inside the wing. A V shape. This all should just look like an highlight. Now I'm gonna draw the big wings. From here I'm gonna start and draw a line. So I'm gonna overgo this line just like this. So I'm starting from the top. I'm gonna make a nice clean S kind of like shape and bring it down just like it, and make sure it looks big enough. I'm gonna make a small curve down, make stiff lines and bring it up just like this. Take it down, bring it up, a curve indeed, and shape like this and connect it. Now we're gonna connect the bottom of it, a V shape, just like, you know, rough kind of shape. So it's like the one wing. Now we're gonna draw the other wing. The other wing is quite hard, so please make sure you guys follow it. Just follow with me, guys. It's kind of tricky. So we're gonna draw an S shape. We're gonna go through this just like an outline, just like this. Now what we're gonna do is make this line a little more bigger. Start from the same point. Make these lines. Bring it down. And just like this. We're gonna do now. Do some rough shapes like this. Put it on top. Cover. And do is make a small line and bring it down like this. I'm gonna also make a cone here, just like this. And now what we're gonna do is gonna draw the inside part of the wing. And here we go, the wings of the charizard. Now we're gonna do the tail to finish it off. I'm gonna make a small turn like this. I'm gonna make a cone shape. Now from this end, what I'm gonna do is bend it. From here, I'm gonna take it like this. And what I'm gonna do from here also, I'm gonna just take it and bring it on the other side. So what we're gonna do is a shape like this, go shape like this, and almost, or you just have to do this 3 times, And next time we'll make a bigger one. Just connect it with this shape. So it should have look like this. I'm gonna draw the fire. You know Charizard always have a fire in his tail. Can also draw a rough shape. I'm here going on with the rough shape actually. Just not going with the clear shape, and that's how it should look. Draw some shading. So here's guys, this is Charizard Y Mega from Pokemon. Now we're gonna add a little bit of final touch. So here we go. So here this is your Mega Charizard Y. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to comment down below how your picture came out. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you so much guys, and see you tomorrow with next video. Bye guys.